Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video I am going to tell you how to hide pics and videos in iPhone. So let's start the video. The first thing you have to do is open your gallery. Then select any album you want to hide. Then tap on select and select the images and videos which you want to hide. After that tap on three dots in the right bottom corner and then click on hide. These pictures and videos are now hidden. How you can access this is a question, then go back, scroll down and tap on hidden. It will ask for a face ID, provide a face ID. After that, there are the pictures and videos you recently hidden. If you want to unhide again, then tap on select and select the pictures and videos. Then again tap on three dots in the right bottom corner and tap on unhide. Now the pictures and videos are unhidden again and it will be sent to the gallery. So by this way you can easily hide and unhide pics and videos in iPhone. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.